Coach, how can I negotiate a higher rate with my clients? Well, alam mo yung feeling na excited ka na makahanap ng client tapos during ng interview nung sinabi mo yung rate mo, na nahimik siya bigla. Ang awkward, di ba? Pero don't worry. Here's how you can confidently negotiate higher rates without scaring the clients. First, focus on the value, not just the price. Instead of saying I charge $10 per hour, say for $10 per hour, I'll handle your emails, manage your calendar, and organize your files so that you can focus on growing your business. Clients will pay more if they see na may impact talaga ang work na ginagawa mo para sa kanila. Pangalawa, show proof of your skills and results. Kung may mga past experiences ka, kahit na small projects lang, ipakita mo. Example, I helped my last clients increase their engagement by 50%. Or, I organized a system that saved my client 5 hours per week. Mas madali magtaas ng rate kapag may proof ka ng handle ka. And third, be willing to walk away for lowball offers. May mga client talaga na gusto lang nila ng cheap labor. Huwag kang matakot na mag-say ng no. Pwede mong sabihin na, I appreciate your offer. However, based on my skills, the value I provide, and my experience, my rate is this. Let me know if you'd like to proceed. Kapag nakita nilang confident ka sa pricing mo, mas mataas ang chance na pumayag sila sa offer mo. So, ayan. First, highlight the value. Second, show proof of your skills. And third, don't settle for low offers. Client will pay more kapag nakita nilang worth it ka at malaki ang value na ibibigay mo sa kanila. Now, go out there and charge what you deserve.